In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bot permissions in Discord. First, open Discord on your device. You can do this on both mobile and desktop platforms. As you log in, you will see a list of servers on the left side of the screen. Choose the server where you want to manage the bot permissions. This step is crucial because managing permissions effectively can enhance your server's functionality and security. Once you select the server, you will be directed to its main interface, where you can navigate through various channels and settings. Next, look for the server name at the top of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Server Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you can modify various aspects of your server. In this section, you will have access to settings that can greatly impact how your server operates. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these options to ensure your server runs smoothly and meets your community's needs. Once you are in server settings, find and select the Roles option from the sidebar. This section allows you to manage different roles assigned to members and bots in your server. Roles play a significant role in determining what each member can do. By organizing roles effectively, you can create a structured environment that enhances user experience. You'll see a list of all the roles available, including the one assigned to the bot you want to manage. Now, choose the role assigned to the bot you are configuring. This is important because every bot may have a different role that dictates its level of access and permissions. Selecting the correct role ensures that you are changing the right permissions for the specific bot in question. As you select the role, take a moment to review what permissions are currently granted to that role so you can make informed decisions on what changes to apply. With the bot's role selected, open the Permissions tab. Here you will see a comprehensive list of permissions that you can toggle on or off. This is where the magic happens. Adjusting these permissions allows you to customize what the bot can and cannot do within your server. For example, you might want the bot to manage messages but not to kick members. Understanding these permissions is crucial because it allows you to tailor the bot's capabilities to fit your server's needs while maintaining control over user interactions. Next, turn the permissions you want on or off by toggling the switches next to each permission. As you make these changes, be aware of what each permission entails. For instance, some permissions allow bots to manage messages while others enable them to join voice channels. It's important to choose wisely to prevent any unwanted actions by the bot. Once you complete this step, you can feel confident that you are customizing the bot's abilities to align with your server's goals. If prompted, select Save Changes. This step ensures that all adjustments you have made are applied. Without saving, your changes will not take effect, and the bot will continue to operate under its previous permissions. By confirming these changes, you can rest assured that your bot will function as intended in your server environment. To change the bot's permissions for one specific channel, navigate to that channel and open its settings. From there, select Permissions. This targeted approach allows you to fine-tune the bot's capabilities in specific areas of your server, providing flexibility in management. You will see options to allow or deny permissions specifically for that channel. This is an effective way to create a more controlled environment for interaction. Finally, a tip to remember: avoid giving a bot administrator permission unless it truly needs it. Administrator grants all permissions and bypasses channel restrictions. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing potential misuse of permissions that could disrupt your server's balance.